Hi everyone and welcome to the Discovery Center. Today I'm going to walk you through one of my favorite breakfast sandwiches of all time, the one I think that could actually start a breakfast sandwich war. It's called the Three Little Pigs. So what I'm going to do for you right now is put together the most hearty breakfast sandwich possible. It's going to start with some French toast. I have some crispy hash browns that we're going to put right on top of there as well. Right on top of that, we're going to put some Jimmy Dean sausage patties. I've got 2 patties that I'm going to add right on top of that. Get that mild press down. What I'm going to do next is actually put on the second pig, which would be the sausage gravy made with Jimmy Dean sausage again. So we're going to give that a couple nice tablespoons. It's okay if it's going to hang over. It's a messy sandwich on purpose. Next thing we're going to do is slide our eggs. We've got a nice double yolk. I was lucky enough to get a double yolk. So we're going to slide that right on top of, a little bit of a rip, and perfect. Give those yolks a little bit of a pop, let them run a little bit. We're going to top those with 2 slices of bacon. A little bit of Wright's bacon right there. Then I'm going to place that final covering over the top of that. That last piece of French toast. Then we're just going to give that a quick run through. And there we have our 3 little pig sandwich. Delicious. Layers upon layers of flavor.